So good evening, guys. Today we have with us Amulya Acharya, a second year student pursuing BA LLB from Gujarat National Law University. Amulya has interned with Madhuban Foundation, an NGO based in Gujarat. She has completed an A grade in NCC and also secured 13th rank in TS Law Set. So with less than 1 year for CLAT, as we have started the preparation for CLAT, the most important thing are what are the mistakes that we do and what are the precautions we should keep in mind while doing our preparation. So Amulya will be discussing the precautions that one should take while starting the preparation for CLAT. So the floor is your, Amulya. You can start.
Hello everyone, I'm audible.
Yeah.
So for CLAT preparation, I'm just going to start it directly. So for the CLAT preparation, there is plenty of material available in any of the websites. If you go through the uh, any websites during the CLAT preparation, but you should not waste your time by searching for the material. I recommend to practice the material sent by the lightning dreams because they will be uh, they are searching and they are researching which material is good and which material is perfect for CLAT. So it's better to practice the material sent by the lightning dreams instead of wasting time by searching for the material. And I recommend you to stick to only one specific source of the material. There are plenty websites available regarding the material, so only stick to one specific source. So while solving the questions or about the questions and how the what you need to understand a basic idea about what questions in each section comprise, and you need to prepare accordingly only to that questions only. For example, in CLAT we are not going to have trigonometry or anything related to geometry, so you should not be preparing to that which does not is necessarily required. And the another important thing, these are very important things which should be need to be pointed, and make sure that your preparation should be from 2 to 3 months only. Make sure that you are preparing only for 2 to 3 months, because it does not depend upon the preparation which you are doing. It depends, the outcome depends upon how many mocks you attempt, how many sectional tests you attempt, how many topic tests you attempt. Writing the exams and taking the mock exams, sectional exams, and topic tests will improve your uh, CLAT score. But simply practicing means you need to practice like only for 2 to 3 months to understand the basic idea about what questions and what topic is that. Write as many mocks as you can. Write as many sectional tests and topic tests you can, because only this criteria will decide whether you will get a seat or not. In the entire year, if you sit and practice the topics, and if you don't attempt any mock exams or any sectional test or topic test, it's going to be of no use. So topic tests and sectional tests are very important. They will strengthen the marks. If you are weak in a particular subject, for example, if you are weak in a quant or legal section, attempt as many sectional tests you can in that particular section. Attempt mocks and try to attempt 2 mocks in a week, because if many of you are taking a long term, I would recommend you to attempt 2 mocks, because you already have a basic idea about what the pattern is and what the subject is. So attempting mocks only will make you better. Uh, and uh, and the other thing is that don't try to analyze the mocks on the day which you have written the exam, because it will have many adverse impacts. Even I have gone through the same. Don't at all try to attempt to analyze the mocks on which you have written the exam. On the day which you have written the exam, at least take a day off and analyze the mocks. While analyzing the mocks, you need to go through each and every question and understand the question, and you need to identify why was I wrong in that particular question and what is the explanation to it. Again, when you are attempting that mock, or again if that question arises, you should be able to answer it correctly and read as many articles. And for articles, the team is sending daily some or the other articles. Instead of, I would like to recommend reading articles instead of some novels or anything in this, because if you are reading articles and newspapers, it will not only help for your vocabulary, but will also develop the you will also able to score marks in legal and English as well. For quant or logical reasoning, there are very try to for quant and logical reasoning, instead of practicing the uh, instead of practicing it, try to practice in the form of sectional or topic tests. That will improve. That's it.
If you have any question, you can. Okay, Amul left the meeting. Yeah, if you have any question,
No,
you.
I'm there.
Yeah, Amul, you are there. Okay. If you have any question, you can put that question in the chat box. Amul will take up the question.